How to check out templates on CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for CapCut just to make sure you have an updated version of the CapCut application on your device. So let's search for CapCut over here. And as you search for CapCut, it will show if you have any updates available for this or not. So here on the screen, you can see there's the option of open and not update, which means we have the latest version of the CapCut application. So simply tap on open. As you tap on open, it will take us to the home page of CapCut application. So what you simply need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, or if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Now, as you launch the CapCut application, you'll be able to see there are different options. So let's wait for a few more seconds to get the CapCut application land to the home page. Now, as we launch the CapCut application, here you can see there are different options at the bottom of the screen, from edit, templates, library to me, which is the profile. Now, if you want to check out the templates on CapCut, simply tap on this template section at the bottom of the screen. You'll be able to see there are numerous templates available. You can also tap on the search bar at the top and search for any templates that you are most probably looking for. So that's how you check out templates on CapCut. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.